Alright, so now we're moving on to developing graphical user interfaces with Python. We're going to be using the TK kit, or the toolkit, Graphical User Interface Toolkit, to create these things. And this is a library set that's a cross-platform for Windows, Mac and Linux. Now, on top of this, we actually need a way of connecting with that, and that's where TK Inter comes in. And TK Inter is basically an interface to allow you to create and edit windows. And when I say windows, I mean the ones that you drag across your screen, not the operating system. So, enabling this on PyCharm. First off, we have to go to the File menu and down to the Settings. Once we've opened up, once we've had our big project open, and we're adding pip. And you can see I've already got that installed here, but if you go into the project schoolwork, or whatever the name of your project is, and then the project interpreter, you can then use the little plus icon over here to add the library. And there's lots of libraries, as you can see from this massive list here. Jumping down to PK, I can just go install package and it will update it to the current package, which I did a few minutes ago anyway. So, but just a quick skim through the library. As you can see, there is a long list. Anyhow, once that's added, we just hit OK, it updates it, and we can start actually creating programs with TK Inter in Python. Now in this case, I'm going to start with something fairly simple. So first off, I need to add in this package. So from TK Inter, I'm going to import all the functions. Shorthand for that is star. Now I need to actually create a window, so I'm just going to go give it a name. This is my variable name, equals TK, open bracket, open bracket, close bracket. And that then creates the window. This window is obviously going to need some sort of title. And let's, I could call it Bob, but computing. And then we also need to give it some sort of size. So I'm just going to go window.geometry, which obviously is like in maths, height and width. So 300 x 200 to give it its size, and then window.main loop, and we are done. This should now work. Hitting the go icon, we get this window labeled applied computing, which is 300 pixels across by 200 high. Closing this, we can actually change these numbers. Let's make it 500 across, run it again, and you'll see a long window appear. Now if we actually do 400 by 400, we should get a square. And we kind of do. There is the header across the top here, which is not counted in that calculation, and so the 400 pixels is from the grey area down and the grey area across. But this gives us a way of creating basic windows, and now we need to add more, and we'll do that in the next video.